Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Santa Cruz local and long-distance movers near me. When you choose to move across the country or just one state over, you need a long-distance moving company. Our team will help you on moving day to make sure things go smoothly. Whether you're moving 100 miles away or 2,500 miles across the country, we have the moving services you need. Along with the basic moving services you need, we also offer all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. A California moving company can provide plenty of benefits for a local move. When you choose our local movers, you get a fast move with less stress. Since you won't have to do any loading or unloading, you avoid injury from all that heavy lifting. Plus, we can get it done faster since we are professional movers. 3 Movers offers the right moving crew for your local move. We streamline the process so you can get settled in so much faster. When you would need a week to move, we can get it done for you in less than a day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Santa Cruz moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.